Is your mobile data running out too fast? Want to reduce data usage without losing access to essential apps? Data Saver Mode helps limit background data and prevents apps from using too much internet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Data Saver Mode on Android, plus a hidden trick to allow important apps to keep working while saving data. Let's get started. Data Saver Mode is a built-in Android feature that reduces mobile data usage by restricting background activity for apps. When enabled, apps won't use data unless you open them, preventing unnecessary usage in the background. This is perfect if you're on a limited data plan or want to save data while traveling. To enable Data Saver Mode, start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and find the section labeled Network and Internet or simply Connections, depending on your phone brand. Inside this menu, look for Data Saver and tap on it. You will see a toggle switch. Turn it on to activate Data Saver Mode. Once enabled, you will notice a Data Saver icon in the status bar, indicating that your phone is now actively reducing data usage. While Data Saver Mode blocks most background data, you may still want certain apps, like messaging or email apps, to work normally. To allow specific apps to bypass Data Saver Mode, go back to the Data Saver settings and tap on Unrestricted Data Access or Allow App. While Data Saver is on, this will show a list of all installed apps where you can toggle on the ones you want to keep running even when Data Saver Mode is enabled. If you want even more control over data usage, Android also provides an App Data Usage section where you can see which apps consume the most data. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet and tap Mobile Data Usage. This shows a breakdown of how much data each app has used. If an app is consuming too much data, you can tap on it and restrict its background data usage, preventing it from using data when you're not actively using it. For those who want to save even more data, consider using light versions of apps, such as Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, and Twitter Lite. These apps are designed to use less data while still providing essential features. Additionally, browsers like Google Chrome have a built-in Light Mode or Data Saver Mode, which compresses web pages to reduce data usage while browsing. If you ever need to turn off Data Saver Mode, simply go back to the settings and toggle it off. This will restore normal data usage, allowing all apps to function in the background without restrictions. Enabling Data Saver Mode on Android is a great way to control mobile data usage, extend your data plan, and prevent apps from consuming excess data in the background. Whether you enable it for general use, while traveling, or to save money on your mobile bill, this feature gives you full control over your data consumption. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.